Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the app installed and ready. First, confirm your iPhone 13 is updated and signed into your Apple ID so downloads work, otherwise stop and update. Once done, free a little space, about 200 MB, and open the App Store. Search for Google Photos, tap Get, and authenticate with Face ID or your password. You're installing the app now. Once it finishes, tap Open, and then allow the app's initial permissions when prompted, so the next steps proceed smoothly. Now you sign in and configure backup. Open Google Photos and use your Google account. Make sure it's the one with the storage plan you want. Next, the app will ask for Photos access. You must pick all photos so the app can back up everything. After that, go to Settings, enable Backup and Sync, and choose between High Quality for compressed storage savings or Original for full resolution copies. Also decide whether to back up over cellular. Turn it on only if you accept data use. Finish by verifying and managing your backups. Look at Google Photos' top banner to confirm the backup progress. You can also check Library and Utilities for recent uploads. Once everything uploads, use free up space to remove photos already backed up from your iPhone and reclaim local storage. If upload stalls, make sure Wi-Fi is stable, then toggle backup and sync off and on, re-authenticate your Google account if needed, and restart the app. This simple reset resolves most syncing problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.